Hello friends, how are you doing today? We're going to do today a nice vegetable. It's called bottle gourd. Usually it's called lao in Bengali. Okay, so the outline or the basic shape of the bottle gourd, it's a combination of few curved lines. So we draw curved lines and connect it with one another. You can look it as a continuous line. If you are efficient, you can draw with a single line, but this is always better to go slow while you draw. No need to hurry. All right, so basic shape is done. It's a single vegetable with a very large shape and a bigger body. Usually we cut it into pieces and we use these vegetables in cooking the curry. It comes as a supplementary to the main items. Usually, most people's favorite is cooking this bottle gourd with the fish items, so it's usually delicious with the fish. But sometimes we see it that people can cook it with the beef or other meat items too, but fish is the most practiced for these vegetables. As you see that as long as I'm putting the shades here, then it's becoming more nice, visibility becoming more nice. When you do the detailing, we need to put shades for the surrounding outlines because the bottle gourd, this vegetable is like a round shape. Sometimes it looks like a dumbbell. So let's put the shades all over the body. As you can see that sometimes we use the longer version of shading practice. So this is the basic outline. Now you can see that we are going to put a dark green color for this part on top. As you can see, it's like a holder from tree. With this connection, these vegetables is floating on the air. Now we can put the deeper shades to the outlines, to the outside borders. So the shades going on to the periphery of the vegetables. As you can see that as I'm moving to the middle part, the shades I'm using, it's getting lighter. For the skins all over the vegetables, we can put few dark outlines to show the uneven parts of the texture of these vegetables. So maybe we can draw some textures in the middle. So this is not usually the plain texture, it has a little variation. But while you put the shades, like to make a smooth gradient of the transition of colors, because if you are able to make the transition of color change smoother, the drawing is going to look better. Alright, so the drawing is complete. If you like, you can draw a little bit background like this. If you put few strokes with the crayon color, then maybe it looks like that it's onto something, maybe on the ground or on the table. So this may be a little background. So the drawing is done. I hope you like the video. Do the practice as we instructed here. And if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Next, more interesting drawings are coming up. So stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawings. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.